which tool they developed, and what they did, everything. Okay. So guys, tell me, what is the first tool they invent in this community? What is the first tool they invent in this community? Selenium RC. Okay. Second tool. Second tool. IDE. Okay. Which tool we are going to work on? Which tool entire IT industry is working? Correct. WebDriver. Correct. Selenium WebDriver. Okay. Afterwards, guys, Selenium Grid, Vimium, Appium, those are nothing but extended version of WebDriver. Okay. So now, guys, I guess still many people didn't join yet. Okay. Huh. Guys, can you hear me? Yeah. So guys, now today we will start, guys, exactly Selenium RC. Why Selenium RC got failed? What are the advantage of Selenium RC? Because guys, the only thing for instance, we will say it is a Chrome browser. Okay. We will say it is a Chrome browser. Now, guys, now see, if we want to do automation, let's assume I want to do automation on Flipkart application or Facebook application, any. End of the day, guys, we will automate where we want to automate. So let's say this is nothing but Selenium RC. Okay, this is nothing but Selenium RC. Okay, and in this we will write a test. Okay, so let's say this is a test. Okay, test script. Let's assume this is the test script. Okay, and here we will write some test script. Okay, something like this. So this is a Selenium RC script. Now guys, you only tell me, this script need to be communicate with a browser or not? Our code, our script need to interact with a browser. In a browser, need to interact with a Flipkart. Are you understanding? Okay, fine. Okay. Now guys, to make our code and browser interact, we need one mediator or not? Are you understanding the approach, guys? We write a script. That script needs to interact with the browser. So we need one mediator. That mediator is nothing but, guys, that mediator is nothing but a separate RC server. Are you getting my point, guys? That is nothing but a separate RC server. This RC server, guys, need to be installed in our machine. Without this extra server, communication will not happen. Is everyone clear up? Is everyone clear up? So now guys, can I say our flow is very simple? Okay, see, whenever we will run the script, our script connect to the RC server. RC server connect to the browser. Then from browser, again, if we want something from browser, if we want something, that thing again come back to the server. From a server, come back to the code. Is everyone getting this interaction? Is everyone getting this interaction? Okay. Okay. Now, guys, what I am saying now, here, what kind of things need to be available in a RC server? Guys, can I say we have so many browsers? Microsoft Edge browser, Chrome browser, Firefox browser, Opera browser. There are many browsers available. Now, exactly which browser you want to work? So that means, can I say, guys, browser configuration setting should be present? Is everyone getting my point? Browser configuration settings should be present. Okay. Okay. Yes, Aditi. Script consists of code only. Okay. So browser configuration setting means like version, which version of Chrome browser, browser name, okay, etc. Is everyone getting my point? Is everyone getting my point? Okay. So we need browser configuration setting. Now, guys, in a browser, we have to interact with the Flipkart. That means, can I say we need Flipkart configuration setting as well? Are you getting my point? Inside Chrome browser, we want to communicate with the application. So, second part what we needed, that is application configuration setting. Guys, is everyone clear up to this? Is everyone clear up to this? Okay. Number one, they want browser configuration setting. Number two, they want application configuration setting. Correct, Suvasmita. Here, application means Flipkart. Okay. So now, guys, you only tell me one thing. Okay. So in this, we here in a RC server, we will configure. Here we will write a code, and here on a browser execution will happen. This is the simple process. Guys, now let's assume Chrome browser I am having version 80. Assume I am having version 80. And here I configure version 78. Will it work? No. Correct answer. Second, let's say here I configure version 80. Here also I am having version 80. Okay. We are having version 80 only. But here I am mentioning Chrome, and here I am having Firefox of version 80. Then tell me, will it work? Here I mentioned Chrome, here I am going for Firefox. Surely not. Okay. Then here I am giving Flipkart configuration setting. So can I say this will work only for Flipkart? Will it work for Amazon? Will it work for Amazon? Will it work for eBay or Paytm or something? No. Flipkart means only Flipkart. So guys, this kind of dependency, can you understand, guys? This is one kind of dependency. Without this, we cannot move further. This kind of dependency, guys, this kind of dependency is considered as, okay, this all dependency, guys, having one name. Okay, this all dependency, whatever we are having, this entire dependency, instead of saying individually, we have a proper name. That name is same origin policy. That name is same origin policy. Okay. So under this same origin policy, we will configure all these things: browser setting, version, browser name, application configuration setting. This everything exists under same origin policy. So in a short word, can I say, guys, same origin policy must be satisfied? Then only interaction will happen. Then only automation will happen. Okay. So now guys, this is the working process of Selenium RC. Okay. This is the working structure of Selenium RC. Okay. So now guys, here I will give a heading as Selenium RC structure or architecture. Okay. Selenium RC architecture. Like this we will say. Now guys, observe this. In this architecture, what are the advantages you are getting? See, guys, try to understand why ThoughtWorks thinks boss this is the best automation tool. Okay. So, guys, just 2 minutes. I'm giving one call. Guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Yeah. So see, guys, what are the advantages of this structure? Okay. Means why Selenium people think this and again think it is the best automation tool. Because guys, tell me, in this tool, okay, in this tool, if we configure Chrome, work for Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. So nothing but guys, can I say supports all the browser? We just configure setting, it will work. So supports all browsers. Guys, very good advantage or not? Okay. Second, guys, it supports all the programming languages. They give Selenium RC in a Java, in a Python, in a C Sharp, in a Ruby, in a Perl, in a JavaScript. That means whatever the programming language knowledge you are having, you can use it. Okay. Then in this Selenium RC, to develop this Selenium RC, guys, they use JavaScript libraries. Okay. JavaScript is an open source community, guys. Okay. Which supports multiple languages interaction. So no problem. That's the reason it supports all programming language. Third, guys, it supports all the operating system. If you have Windows, configure Windows, Linux, Vista, Mac, Ubuntu, doesn't matter. Guys, now you only tell me, if you have such a kind of automation, any application, any web application, any operating system, any programming language, any browser, that means guys, are you understanding why Selenium people think this is the best automation tool? Okay. Okay. So fine. Okay. That's the reason. Then what is the disadvantage? What is the limitation? That also we will discuss, guys. Don't worry. Limitation also we will discuss. Okay. Now, guys, first write down this diagram. Write down this diagram, everyone. As soon as done with the copy, let me know. Lakshman, QTP having this feature. It's not like QTP not having. QTP also having. Guys, once done with the copy, let me know. Guys, write down these notes. Write down these notes. Once done, let me know. Guys, done with the copy? Everyone? Okay. So guys, now let's discuss what is the drawback, limitations of Selenium RC. Okay. So this is very, very important, guys. Okay. Because of drawbacks only, Selenium RC become flop. Yes or no, guys? Okay. Okay. So, Sapan, don't break your head for that. Okay. So, first limitation is, guys, observe here. First limitation is, can I say, guys, here, separate RC server is compulsory. Tell me, without RC server, can you communicate? Without RC server, can you communicate? No. Okay. So separate RC server is compulsory. Because of that, guys, it consumes lots of memory and performance becomes slow. Are you getting the first point, guys? Just assume in your system one extra server is running. That consume extra memory and performance becomes slow. First drawback. Second drawback is, guys, nowadays web application coming of two types. You know, guys, there are some application running with HTTP and there are some application running with HTTP. Yes. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? HTTPS means secure. And guys, nowadays you only tell me, can I say 90% applications are HTTPS only secured? Maybe more than 90%. Almost you go in any application, firstly, every user will see it is secured or not. Then only we will feel comfortable to operate that website, fill our data. Okay. So, guys, when you are adding secured application, then guys, secured application configuration setting is impossible to get. Are you understanding my point, guys? Without application configuration setting, we cannot communicate. Without application configuration setting, nothing is working. And secure application will not give their configuration setting. Means, can I say, guys, same origin policy got failed? Same origin policy will not satisfy there. Are you getting my point? Because of this, secure application cannot be automated. Okay. And guys, third thing is, through this, we cannot automate desktop application. Okay. Just like, guys, whenever we are browsing in a web application, there are some scenarios where we need desktop interaction. Yes or no? There are some places where we need desktop interaction. That desktop interaction is not possible, cannot automate. Okay. Now you tell me, guys, desktop is a very minor point, what I tell. But first 2 point is more than enough to reject this tool or not. Secured application not supporting. And because of RC server, memory and performance become slow. Okay. Okay. So guys, because of these limitations, this become a flop idea. Okay. Write down these limitations, guys. Write down these limitations. SPL, desktop means standalone application. Yes, guys, desktop application means standalone, Windows operating system. Okay, Windows application. Desktop means Windows operating system. Just like here, we will have Windows screen. Let's say go in a C drive. This automation is not possible with Selenium RC. Okay. These are desktop application or Windows application. Okay. Now, guys, everyone clear? Done with Selenium RC? Are you clear why it is become a flop tool? Okay. Now, guys, next is let's go for Selenium IDE. Okay. So what is the Selenium IDE? Second tool, guys. So this IDE, can I say, guys, it's a UI based tool developed by ThoughtWorks? Yes or no? It's a UI based tool developed by ThoughtWorks. Okay. So guys, I will show you Selenium IDE practically also. Selenium RC I cannot show you practically, guys, because obviously it's not recommended for me to install RC server and do all configuration. That is become a hectic. So that's the reason I explain in a theoretical manner. Selenium IDE I can show you practically what are the drawbacks, what are the things are there. Okay. So guys, Selenium IDE is a UI based tool which totally depends on record and playback. Are you understanding, guys? Which totally depends on the record and playback. Okay. Let me give you one example. Go here. I will open this website. Okay. Say, guys, this is one website, demoorangehrmlive.com. Okay. So, can you see, guys, this is one login page. Everyone, can you see this is one login page where admin, username is admin, password is admin123. Okay. So let's say here I will enter admin. Here I will enter admin123. And guys, I will click on login. See? Okay. As soon as I log in, can I say I am getting a home page? Everyone? Can you see I am getting home page? This is total home page. Okay. Dashboard, quick launch, assign leave, whatever it is. Okay. So no records available, something like this. Now guys, after getting this, I want to do sign out, let's say. So I will go here. See, can you see this, guys? Right side corner. Everyone, right side corner. See, go to this welcome miracle, about, and log out. After log out, again you will get back to the login screen. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Now, guys, how Selenium IDE work? Whatever the action you people done, let's say first action is enter username, enter password, click on login button. These all the actions record by Selenium IDE. And then you just need to play it. All the action will be retake on same application in a new launch. This is how Selenium IDE will work. Are you having theoretical idea clear now? Are you getting record and playback means what? Okay, record and playback means what? Okay. Now. Okay. So, guys, now, don't worry, Rajeshwari. If you are having some doubt also, when we will see practically, you will get to know. Okay. So guys, Note down these points. Note down these points. Don't worry about third and fourth. I will explain you later. Okay. Third and fourth I will explain you later. Okay. Right now, note down this. Rupa, right now we are not in that situation to keep such kind of conditions. This is first thing. And if such a kind of thing is there, we will discuss in our Java class. Okay. Guys, done with the copy? Guys, done with the copy? Okay. So guys, that is not drawback, Jita. That is required knowledge. Okay. End of the day, we should have some knowledge. Okay. So guys, now see how to install and work with Selenium IDE. Okay. ESPL. Okay. Those are desktop application also, and those are opening with a URL also. Okay. So now guys, observe here how this Selenium IDE work. This is a point, guys. This tool comes as external plugin for a browser. Means if we want to download and install this tool, then guys, we cannot download openly in our system. It become an external plugin for web application. It become external plugin for web application. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Okay. So guys, now see how to install this. So go to the Chrome. Okay, go here. In a Chrome browser, guys, you will get apps. See, you will get apps. Okay. Go to these apps. Okay. Here you will get web store. Go to this web store. This is a Chrome web store, guys. Here you can search for Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE. Are you getting this Selenium IDE? Okay. So go here. You will get this Selenium IDE, and guys, go here, click on this first option, and guys, you will get an option add to Chrome. Okay, so nothing but Selenium IDE will be added to Chrome. Okay, after that, click on this. As soon as you will do add extension, it will get added. Download and install in your Chrome browser. Okay, are you clear with these steps? Right now, I click on cancel. Are you clear with these steps? Okay. Now, guys, one more way is there. One more way. Go to Google. In a Google, search for download Selenium IDE. Okay. In a Google, search for download Selenium IDE. You will get first link. Can you see this open source record and playback? Okay. Record, play, like this. So go here. Now, guys, can you see download for Chrome? Download for Firefox. Means, guys, can you able to see first drawback of Selenium IDE? It supports only Chrome and Firefox. I know, like Chrome and Firefox, these are 99%, okay, 95% usable browser in the industry. But one drawback is there. We have to mention this. Now, if we want to download for Chrome, go here. Guys, automatically you are getting same screen or not? What you are getting from web store? See, can you see the same screen? Okay. So either you follow first approach or you follow second approach. Nothing but same. At last, you have to click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. So guys, as soon as you add extension, say it is adding to Chrome, okay? And can you see guys, Selenium IDE added? And go here, okay? So go here, you will get Selenium IDE as an option. See, as soon as you click, Selenium IDE will open. Guys, is everyone clear how to install Selenium IDE? Is everyone clear how to install Selenium IDE? Okay. So minimize and let's note down the steps. Let's note down the steps. Guys, you follow any approach, okay? Doesn't matter. Okay, both are same only. So now the steps is here I mention a second step. Okay, from Google and everything. Okay. Yes, upon it is flop only. Guys, note down fast. No, Sapan, this is for our knowledge sake. We have to understand now why this become a flop. That I want to show you practically. Guys, one thing, okay? Many people are asking, sir, shall we install it? Shall we download it? Obviously, guys, one time if you do by in your own hand, is it any problem? You will also get to know, hey boss, what is the drawback? What is the problem is there? Okay. But you can do it. Anyhow, we have to work on Selenium WebDriver, so that installation anyhow we have to do. Okay. And if you are trying to do on your end, don't do in a class time. Now focus on concept and note it down. Once class is over, then you try to do. Follow these steps, you will get it. Okay. Guys, done with the copying? Okay. Now see guys, how to operate this. Now see how to operate this. Everything I will show you one shot. So pay attention here. I'll make it full screen. So guys, this is our Selenium IDE. Okay. Can you see guys, we are getting multiple options, create new project, open an existing project, record new test in a new project. So what we have to do, we will create a new project. So click on new project. Okay, enter a project name. So let's say my project name is Orange HRM. Okay, Orange HRM. Click on OK. So see guys, Orange HRM project is added, and you will get this screen. Now guys, here you will have test. So click on this plus. Okay, click on this plus icon. Here you need to add the test. Okay, add the test case. So give a test case name. So test case name is, let's say, log into HRM. Okay, let's say this is my test case. Add the test case. Can you see guys, one test case added? Guys, any confusion up to this? Guys, now you realize why UI based tool are very much easy. Tell me guys, if you spend 2 days on this tool, you become expert in automation. Okay, so now create project, add the test. Then after this, in this test case, which URL, boss? Give me the URL. Which URL I want to do? Record and test case, everything. So let me give the URL, guys. Let me open this. So this is the URL. Okay. This is the URL. I will remove this. I guess it's only enough. Yeah, this is the URL, guys. Copy this URL. Give it here. See? Okay. Now, guys, we are giving the URL here. Now, after that, what you need to do? Go to start record button. Can you see this start record button? Everyone? Be fast, guys. Give reply. Start record button. See? Guys, can you see browser launch? Can you see browser launch? And can you see the message? Selenium IDE is recording. Everything Selenium IDE is recording on the screen. So my first action is enter username as admin. Second action is, okay, enter admin123 as password. Next action is login. After login, okay, after login, go to welcome. After welcome, go to logout. Come back to the main page. So everything is done. After that, close it. Okay. Guys, as soon as you close, come here, stop recording. Guys, test case is ready. Tell me how much easy automation is. That's it. Your test case is done. Your test case is done. Okay. Simple. Now, guys, now see how to execute the test case. Okay. How to execute the test case. So click on run current test button. That's it. Click on this button. It will run the test case. See guys. Is it working? Is it working? Is everyone observe execution? Is everyone observe execution? Here you will get logs also. See, open, check window size, enter username, enter this, enter this, enter this, and that's it, done. Okay. Now Atiti. Now not only Atiti, many people are see here. Guys, it is not playing a recording. It record the action what you done. It record a action what you done. Are you understanding my part? Okay. Let me run one more time. See the execution again. Say new browser launch. Enter username. Enter password. Click on login. Log out. Matter close. Script work successfully. Okay. Now, can we add one more script, guys? You tell me. Can we add one more script? Okay. So let's say I will add new test case. And what my test case is? Go to Orange HRM. Do login admin 123 login. Hey, what happened? Admin 123 login. We will get login. Okay. So now guys, here let's say my concern is I want to go to leave. Second test case, guys, I want to go to leave. In a leave entitlements, employee entitlements I want to open. So this page I want to open. After opening this page, log out. Okay, go here, log out, and everything done. Is it clear? Are you getting the test case? Yes, Prashant, exactly. Okay, so let's record the test case, guys. Let's record the test case. Go here in the automation tool. Click here. Now, employee entitlement. Okay. So this is the test case. Add what URL? Same URL. Okay. Click on start recording. Okay, guys, recording is start. Okay, guys. I guess by mistakenly it opened from previous. So let me delete. See, guys, here you can delete some steps if you want. No problem. You can delete some steps. Okay. Now here I will do logout. Okay. Come back to the original page. Okay. Now here let me. Okay, I didn't stop only. Okay. So now guys, I will click on start recording. See, recording is start. Go to enter username as admin 123. Okay, click on login. Okay, after this, go to leave entitlement, employee entitlement. After this, go here, log out. Okay, that's it. Matter close. Guys, after this, close the browser. Come here, stop the recording, test case done. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Okay. So, Sapan, what you are seeing here, Sapan, after doing recording, What you can see this. This is the script Sapan. Okay. So now, guys, let's run the script. Let's cross check working or not. Okay. Now, for that, let me clear these old logs. Let me clear these old logs. So it is fresh. Click on run current test. See guys what happens. Go. Observe execution guys. Guys, is it working? Is it working? Guys, got to know why tool become flop? Got to know why tool become flop? Okay. Come back to the script, guys. Come back to the script. Rajeshwari, record and playback you didn't get. Okay, record and playback means just now think Rajeshwari, you open Gmail, you enter your username, you enter your password, you click on login button. These are actions or not? What you perform on application? Do you reply Rajeshwari? Okay. Our IDE tool will record that action, what you perform. Are you getting? And when you click on run current test, exactly same action it will perform again in a fresh launch. Record, playback. Now is it clear? Simple. Okay. Now, guys, come back to the tool. Are you getting a failure, guys? Red mark. Are you getting failure? Red mark. Okay. Now, guys, why this failure? You want to know this only now? Why this scenario didn't work? Because guys, see, observe here. These are advanced scenarios, critical scenarios. See, I am not clicking on leave. I am just keep my mouse pointer over leave. Are you understanding? This is not a click action. This is mouse over action. I am just keep my mouse on leave. Then I will get the option. Keep mouse on entitlement. Then I will get the option. And here I am clicking. This mouse over action, mouse control, not handled by IDE. That's the reason, guys. Yesterday also I told you, critical scenario cannot be automated in a Selenium IDE. Now tell me, guys, will you tell to the client, hey boss, my tool not supporting this, so I will not automate? Will you tell this to the client? Guys, ultimately it become a flop tool or not? Are you understanding? Ultimately it become a flop tool. Okay. So guys, that's the reason to get you clear understanding and make you practically see the application and see the automation and how exactly it got paid. For that concern only I told you guys. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Yeah. So guys, in my home there is power cut. Okay. That's the reason guys we have to stop here. But whatever I done, okay, I am giving you detailed notes here. Observe. Can you people just take a peek? Follow the same thing and try to execute. See how to create project, how to create test case, how to create test script recording, advantages, disadvantages, everything I mentioned. Okay, take the peek, guys, quickly. Guys, my laptop will shut down at any moment. Take the peek fast. Take the pick of this advantage and disadvantage. Okay. Okay. Guys, you should thankful this tool is not supporting. You only tell me if this supports, if this tool starts supporting everything, then who will give job to us? Tell me, anyone will become automation engineer or not? Okay, this thing is good for us. Okay, so guys, remaining part we will continue in a tomorrow session. Okay, so yeah guys, for the timing tomorrow also class is at 11 AM only. Okay, if there any time change I will update. Okay, fine guys, see you tomorrow.